Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Two Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok commenting too fast problem. So let's get started. For that, let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now let's get into profile icon and click on this three-line icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Now click on interaction and click on comment. Here we can see this option for commenting too fast. Simply tap on that. And here are some options or the solution given over here that if you are commenting too fast, alert is seen. Take a break or you send the same comment too often. And you can try this in 24 hours again. And after doing this, if a problem is solved, you can simply tick yes over here and it is done. If not, you can simply click on order, scroll down, click on need more help, and you'll reach into TikTok help desk and write that your problem is not fixed yet and your problem will finally be addressed by TikTok help desk and will be solved. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.